present to you Mr. and Mrs. Johnson.
Lottie, I can't believe we're finally here. I'm sorry I kept you waiting for so long, but I've always known that you are the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. From the night we first met at the Crescent to this day, you've always been the one. You're the most amazing person. You're beautiful, caring, loving and kind. You're dedicated, hardworking and committed in all you do. I'm so proud of you for all you've achieved. Thank you for always being there for me, for supporting me, for making me laugh and always making me feel loved. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. You really are everything I could have ever dreamed of and more, and I can't wait to see what our future holds. I promise to always be there for you, to encourage and support you through whatever you choose to do in life, although please don't do any more degrees. Through the happy times and the hard times, I promise to never stop showing you love and affection, to make sure our life together is full of fun and happiness, and to always take care of you and hopefully one day our family. But most of all, I promise that I'll never stop loving you, to the moon and back the long way for the rest of my life.
Who'd have thought it all those years ago when we met at the Crescent Working Men's Club that we'd be standing here today getting married. On that rainy day at the top of the hill in Glastonbury when you asked me to marry you, I had no doubt that you were the person I wanted to spend the rest of my life with. The last 12 and a half years have been incredible and we've had so much fun. From being introduced when we were just 17 to adventures in Hull, Liverpool and Germany, festivals, gigs, lots of nights out, renting our flat and eventually buying our home. You're amazing. You're so full of fun. Everyone who meets you instantly loves you and you're so genuinely kind, caring and loyal. You work so hard and I'm so proud of everything you've achieved. You also certainly play hard. However, you bring out the best in me, and although I'm definitely the quieter and more indecisive one of the two of us, you remind me not to take life too seriously and you encourage me to feel confident in whatever I choose to do. You've stood by me through so much over these last few years and you've always been so supportive. I really couldn't have wished to have anyone else by my side. Ooh. As your wife, I promise that I will always be your biggest supporter and will stand alongside you through all the good and exciting times and also at those times when things get tough. I guarantee that our home will always be full of love and I'll make sure we continue to laugh every single day. I can't wait for all the adventures that are yet to come and I'm so excited to see what our future holds. Thank you for everything you are and everything you do, but most of all, thank you for choosing me to be your girl.